Yo, what is up, Loud and Proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. I know I'm smiling, I'm grinning, I'm kind of like laughing a little bit. I bought a welder a couple days ago and I ordered it and got it shipped right to the door in 2 days through Amazon Prime. So there are going to be links to all these products in the description below for you guys to definitely go and check them out. So let's get into the video. But guys, first off, a few disclaimers. I'm not a welder. I've never welded before. I've barely ever even seen somebody weld before. In person, the only person I ever saw weld was my grandfather, who is also not a welder. He has a welder, but he kind of welds stuff around his shop, just like if he needs a quick fix, he can do it. Let's show you what we got here. Now, before you guys start cracking on me about, oh, dude, you want cheap or this or that and the other. Like I said, I'm not a welder and I'm just starting to learn. I just want to learn some for basic things. Like I said in the other video, welding exhaust stuff, doing traction bars, making small little brackets for bumpers, making little brackets for, you know, just other stuff like around the trucks and stuff. I mean, just other farm use, just small scale stuff. Nothing crazy, but let's show you what we got here. I think I paid $169 or 159 bucks. Amico Power direct current 160 amp welder. I believe that's what, you know, 168 stands for. 160 amp welder. 10 feet of cord, you know, all that stuff, whatever. Dual voltage, industrial application, farm and home maintenance and repair, fabrication, garage training. And it also does have a 1-year warranty. And I think with everything I got combined, which I have sitting around here somewhere, it was like $250 total for a $50 welding mask, which is electric, so you got your adjustable switches and stuff on it. Chipping hammer to, you know, remove your slag, and then a little wire brush on the back of there. 2 boxes of welding rod. And I got these, you know, welding gloves. Obviously, you don't want to burn your hands. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit fun just to learn and mess around with it. One more thing I forgot to mention. I'm doing a $500 cash giveaway right now. So basically, every $10 you spend on the merch store, link in description, whether it be decal, hoodie, t-shirt, or all of it, you know, anything else like that. Every $10 spent gets you entered to possibly win $500. And I'm also going to select just random orders, and I'm going to throw them a little cash as well. So if you guys want to enter in on that, ends March 18th. After that point, they're not qualified to be entered in on the giveaway. So if you're gonna buy merch anyway, so join the team, join the family, man, is a good time to do it, because you also just kind of, as a perk, you get a bonus that you might actually win some cash. That's kind of cool. A lot of people have already won cash before. Lots of people have won, you know, light bars and merch and stuff like that. So if you guys want to get in on that, link in the description. Grab yourself some Loud and Proud merch. We've got the Team LNP hoodies, which are selling awesome. People absolutely love these. It's just a really clean design, you know what I mean? Nothing too flashy. Then we've got the charcoal gray, yellow, and I think red Team LNP t-shirts. These hoodies, these are kind of a new hoodie that I just got. This is different from the digital camo ones. Also different from the original hoodie. This one is actually kind of like, I don't know, it's like a thicker, heavier hoodie. Like it feels good and warm. I don't know. Take it for what it is. Link in the description if you guys want to get in on that giveaway. Some more exciting news. I'm not going to 100% say confirm, but I do believe I have found the giveaway truck. I've been talking with the kid back and forth for, I don't know if he's a kid. I just assume he's younger, but anyways, I've been talking with him back and forth for about a week now. Not 100% sure, but I'm gonna talk with my dad about it soon and see if we can line up a time to go check that thing out. And if it checks out to be the truck that I'm hoping it is and the truck that he says it is, we may have found the giveaway truck. I've already been talking to all different kinds of people about the build of this truck, kind of behind the scenes, not telling you guys too much. If it works out and the deal goes through and it works out well, we may have gotten a hold of the giveaway truck as of very soon. But we will go into more detail on that and the truck itself in a different video if that all works out. Okay, let's take that out. Like I said, guys, link in description if you guys want to go check this out for yourself. For as cheap as it was, I was telling guys in the comments yesterday, under yesterday's little update video, which by the way, you guys killed it for just being an update video. I didn't clickbait it. I told you in the thumbnail, in the title, it's an update for Team LNP. Some guys were like, dude, if you can even use that for like a couple projects and get 2-3 hours worth of use out of it, welding is not cheap to pay for if you have to take your truck to a fabricating shop for stuff. They're like, it's like $80 plus an hour typically. Well worth it, especially with 1-year warranty and it was cheap. It's like, where can you go wrong? I don't know why this stupid thing has me so excited. I'm like so excited about this welder, man. Even though it's cheap, I know, I'm still excited about it. We're going in for it again, boys. I've just been messing around with this thing for like 5 minutes now. Now that I finally figured out how to strike an arc, I feel like I'm getting the idea. Here's my most recent weld, if you guys can see that. Just right here. And I could actually hold a straight line. So if I mean, only for about 4 inches there, but, and I kind of got like that ripple effect down. Not like down, I'm just saying like the idea of actually trying to do that just for about a 4-inch strip there. Now I already know all you dudes down in the comments that actually weld are probably laughing right now, but that's fine. I'm just messing around, trying to figure this out a little bit. I'm seriously just doing this for fun right now, just to try to learn it. This first like 4-inch section, 3-inch section is probably my best go at it so far. My difficulty right now is learning the rhythm of lower it as I'm going and moving down. It's like as I'm moving across, slowly lower it down. Otherwise, you know, your rod kind of burns away, and then if you keep it at the same level, which is what I've been doing through here, I keep on just like, oh, oops, and then I push it down, and then I lift up, and then I push it down, and then it just, obviously that method doesn't really work. You know those Instagram memes where guys are picking on fun of guys that can't weld very good? These are the types of welds in those memes. Well, just a little bit more messing around with the welder. I mean, the thing works, you know what I mean? Like it works. Just got a little on-off switch back here. Plugs into your normal outlet, and it has an adapter. 10-foot leads. And I went through 3 rods in 10 minutes just messing around, but yeah, here's a machine. Obviously, if you know what you're doing and you know how to weld and you've got a good technique down, it would probably work perfectly fine for you guys. I will leave a link down in the description below. Like I said, this stuff is so cheap. Like the machine, the mask, the gloves, and everything combined was like, I want to say $250 shipped here in 2 days. Everything. It is what it is. You know what I mean? It's a cheaper machine. You know, can't ask for much. But it does have a 1-year warranty. As you saw, I mean, it does work. You know what I mean? It's not like it doesn't do anything. It does work if you know how to use it and you have a technique down. I'm sure it'd be fine. What would be nicer is if I could actually work on like a bench like the height of the Nasty Red, which obviously I'm not going to weld on a flatbed, but and had like a nice flat plate that I could work making lines on, you know, standing up. Because right here, I'm not complaining, but I mean crouching down on one knee like this and trying to, you know, steady it wasn't the best, and I'm not the most flexible person. Anyways, guys, that is probably going to put a wrap on this video. I know it wasn't really a truck related video or a truck video actually at all, but it was just kind of, you know, it's another in-between day, in between some stuff that's actually going on. Hopefully we have that little retainer clip within the next day or 2. I already kind of updated you giveaway truck status. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new, join the team, join the family. And don't forget to check out those links in the description. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you guys. Anyways, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. I've been doing things that they told me I could never do now. Never do. I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told them it's my turn now. They in the club and I'm in the studio. Guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out.